Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can start dropshipping in South Africa and make money. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. If you are someone who's into making money like me, you probably have come across dropshipping in your search for legit ways of making money online. And maybe you've also seen how other people are making a lot of money from this business model, especially people in the US, Canada, UK, etc. Dropshipping is not a country-specific business. Anyone can do it. But people from countries like South Africa are usually discouraged by the inability to find suppliers. Let's start with the basics. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is basically an order fulfillment method of selling where a store doesn't keep or buy the product itself. Instead, the seller purchases inventory as needed from a third party, or rather known as a supplier or manufacturer. You may be wondering, how does dropshipping work? You set up an online store and serve as a middleman between a buyer and a supplier. The nice thing about this business model, you don't need crazy capital to start because you are not buying the inventory. Unlike someone who's running a physical store, they have to buy hundreds of products prior in hopes that someone will come and buy. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, a lot of people who were doing business the traditional way, like buying stock before and then selling to their customers, lost a lot of money when people stopped buying or when people weren't going to town as much. Let's say you want to sell a product, maybe a water bottle that makes water super cold in summer and hot in winter. Basically a 2-in-1 bottle. This kind of product or such a product is a special product that you can't really find in any shop that you walk into. So as a dropshipper, you can sell this product online. You can put pictures of this product as well as a video showing this product. The nice thing is you don't even have to take pictures yourself or create a video for this product. You can get the pictures as well as the promotional video from the supplier for free. When someone places an order on your website, they will pay the price you have set, not the supplier's price. Then you will take your profits and then send the order to the supplier. The supplier will package the product and ship it directly to the customer. The supplier will never know how much you added as your cut or profits. They're just gonna be happy that you are bringing them customers, which is what they want. But where will you find products to sell? You can dropship even from within South Africa. But if you want to be able to add your own profit or your own cut without making the product's price insanely expensive, you'll have to dropship directly from China because products are way cheaper there. Dropshipping is starting to pick off in South Africa and people are making money from this. But of course, they won't share the details because they don't want competition, understandably. Maybe you also know someone who's selling products and when you ask them, they just say they get them from China without getting into details. And somehow they're able to deliver to their customers every second week or multiple times a month. And you probably think, wow, they must be rich if they're able to ship products from China. But no, they are most likely doing dropshipping and they are just a middleman. That's why you never see any inventory or stock. Why should you start dropshipping in South Africa? Firstly, the unemployment rate is high. Dropshipping can be a way of making money, and even if you do have a job, having one job or one source of income is not enough. Secondly, the startup capital is low compared to other businesses. You don't have to save like thousands of rands before you can start. Thirdly, the risk is also low because the customer gets to pay first and then you pay the supplier. Some people who have tried dropshipping and failed were probably using AliExpress. And the problem with AliExpress, they take forever to deliver. They can take 30 days to 60 days just to deliver one product. And no one wants to wait for that long. Another reason why you should start dropshipping in South Africa, the competition is low compared to countries like UK, US, Canada, where dropshipping has been booming for years. In South Africa, the market is still big. Now that you have an idea what dropshipping is, what if you are interested, how can you start dropshipping in South Africa? The first thing you should do is to decide which website you're going to use to start your store. This is important because some websites ask for a membership fee and some require you to have a coding skill, which is something you probably don't want to go through if you are not into coding or you don't know how to code. Some sites give you a free trial like Shopify, but doing product research can take time. You don't want to waste your 14 days. Once you have chosen the website, the next step is to find the products. You can find products on Amazon, AliExpress, TikTok, see what's trending on the internet and take a chance. Or you can even read this blog post by Goshippro. I'll link it down below. Let's quickly have a look at this detailed post about product hunting. These are some of the steps you can take to find the right product. Number one, find a product that can solve a problem. You don't want to sell something that people are not gonna buy, because then what's the point? You want to make profit, and the only way you can make profit is if people buy. Number two, try a niche you are interested in. Are you interested in selling clothes, jewelry, kitchen stuff, gadgets, etc.? You have to find a niche and specialize. Number three, make good use of your professional skills. This is also important. Use your skills to describe the product. If you're into fashion and maybe you want to sell those puff jackets now that it's almost winter, describe the products in such a way that when the customer sees the description, they just want to buy the product. Number four, find a profitable hobby. You don't want to run a business and not be able to make money. Number five, catch up with trending products. When you're doing dropshipping, it's important to stay up to date, especially in your niche. Go through TikTok, find what's trending and sell that product. The nice thing about dropshipping, you don't have to sell one product forever. You can change every month, or you can change with trends. Number six, hunt for high ticket products. You want to be able to get more profit from few orders. And lastly, see customer insights. Go through AliExpress, Amazon and other sites. Even if you're not going to order from those sites, just find that similar product you want to sell, go through comments, see if people like that particular product. What if you have found a product? What's next? The next thing is to find a supplier in China. You can use Goshippro Dropshipping, which is a trusted sourcing and fulfillment agent that is based in China and has been in business for 5 years. They find suppliers for you and even test the products on your behalf if you want to be sure about the quality of your product before sending it to the customer. What I like about Goshippro, they have no minimum order quantity. This means even if you get one order a day or one order per week, they will still process the order. They process orders within 48 hours and the shipping is only 6 to 12 days. Unlike AliExpress, where your customer has to wait 30 days or 45 days and even 60 days. If you want to get started with dropshipping, Goshippro is definitely the agent you should check out. When I called them, I asked for a discount code because I really believe that this business model is going to change lives. So you can use Nosipo 10 down below. If you are not from South Africa, don't worry. I'm going to be coming up with more discount codes for different countries. For now, Goshippro warehouse is only in China and the USA, but from now on, they'll be working with more South African dropshippers as well. GSP offers the best dropshipping services. Some of their amazing features include supplier optimization. If you have tried dropshipping business before, you may have run into problems like having no idea how to choose a supplier, or you had to change suppliers every time you found a new product, or you got worried about your customers receiving many parcels from one multi-product order, even getting stuck when a supplier is unable to ship your orders. Leave all these supplier issues to GSP sourcing experts. They'll help you find the best supplier with better price, location, and production. This company also offers branding services. They have 2 branches of dropshipping. The first one is custom packaging. Many people get into dropshipping hoping to make money selling products, but then they realize that if they do not add value to the product they are selling, it's hard to get sales or to scale up. GSP helps you create a brand. They support you in having customized packaging. You may be selling the same product like everyone else, but it will be customized and more appealing to your audience. When dropshipping, it's more important to be unique to draw attention, so you should design your packaging because it's one of the first things people see. We all prefer to buy products that look more beautiful and cool. GSP can print your design in mailboxes and bags. They can also put thanks cards, discount coupons, and stickers in the parcel. The unboxing becomes a surprise for your customers. They'll want to share their experience with friends, potentially bringing more sales to your store. So don't hesitate to contact your manager once you are ready to start. The second one is print on demand. If you want to sell unique products, you can try print on demand. Print on demand is a branch of dropshipping that allows you to sell design products. So you get to add your logo or whatever design you like. GSP can print your design on a wide range of white label products, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, notebooks, and so on. These unique products will sell pretty well if you find a good niche, and they don't have minimum order quantity for print on demand. Each of you registered in GSP will have a one-on-one assigned sales manager. He or she will reach out to you and you can see the contact information on the right of the dashboard. even though you can successfully do dropshipping without any inventory. If you are someone who wants even faster shipping, you can buy private inventory to guarantee and speed up the shipping. Or you can rent GSP warehouses to keep and transit your products for Amazon or take a lot dropshipping. You'll find many automatic operational processes on GSP websites such as auto list product, auto update order status, auto sync tracking number. You are able to choose the logistic provider and see the estimated delivery time. If you recommend GSP, you get a commission when people place orders. This is another way you can make extra money. If you want to sell multiple products using multiple stores, you can connect and manage multiple stores in one GSP account. To register on GSP, click the link down below, create an account and start working on your store. List your products and connect your store with GSP using API to enable an exchange of information between your website and the supplier. This means when the customer buys from your store, you won't have to manually type their details to place the order with the supplier. Everything is done automatically once you have connected your store to GSP. If you'd like some sort of guidance or support, you can join their Reddit community, which I'll link down below. To get traffic to your store if you don't have an audience already, or you'd like to run your store anonymously, you can run ads. If you don't have a budget or you have a low budget, you can also use TikTok for traffic. It's the easiest way. Goshippro is here to make your dropshipping experience in South Africa easy and smooth. Comment down below if you have any questions and I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.